Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? Or on the other hand, how high will Dogecoin go? With the unpredictability and changes in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this long period? Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. As indicated by our Dogecoin Expectation 2024, the image coin might have least and greatest costs of around $1.85 and $26 individually. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin gauge proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $39, with a base cost of $25. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. According to our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that the image token might exchange at a greatest cost of $10.82, with a base cost of $57 in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates the Dogecoin establishment from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential. With the sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Cordial to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Packing your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around it. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and steadfast worth wins around an emanation of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. Dogecoin's specialized examination. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and tornadoes in the digital currency world, there is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $11, 618 492 175 and is presently the 9th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.9293, with an exchanging volume of $600 M. The ongoing inventory is at 142 a 4B Doge, while the all-out flowing stock is 142 a 4B. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH in May 2021, it denoted a huge fall over the long haul. Nonetheless, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a fair recuperation. The Doge's cost bankrupted the quick opposition with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the critical obstruction of $0.99 and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the cost of Doge began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized markers recommend that the image coin needs some more purchaser backing to support the positive excursion. Will Dogecoin go up? Indeed, the cost of Doge is supposed to go up. The ongoing positively trending business sector of the crypto world will keep going long, and that fundamentally affects the cost of Doge. In October, Dogecoin was exchanging just around $0.05, yet with the whole market seeing a bullish energy, Doge has seen an ascent of around 60%. This ascent is supposed to keep on filling in the future also. Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the cost of Dogecoin flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin digital currency and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter in for sure. Financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the examination, Doge's cost will be maintained in the event that the hypotheses materialize. Dogecoin came to $11, Just with hypotheses, it will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecast of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a productive speculation, and they anticipate that the cost of Dogecoin should be around $0.318 by long-term end. Conversely, the cost examination and Dogecoin value forecast of advanced coin cost propose that the coin will go up to $20 in 2024. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $0.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. According to the Doge Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be $22 in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a most extreme cost of $28 and a base cost of $85. Doge Expectations 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around $39 and $25. In correlation, the typical cost may be around $32 toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost conjecture, it might hit a greatest cost of $0.45 and a base exchanging cost of around $30 for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around $38. A gigantic meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Doge Expectation 2027. As indicated by our Dogecoin cost examination, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at $51, which additionally is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around $35. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps $43. Dogecoin Conjecture 2028. Indeed, even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto space, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of $57, with a base cost of $40. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be $0.49. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2029. Our Doge value history and expectations uncover that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between $0.47 to $0.63, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps $55. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of $82 and $57. The typical cost might be around $69, with a good rate change for the year 2030. The market cap might have risen fundamentally toward the finish of 2030. My expectation is that